No, you're not gonna be funny now? Emily, how old are you?
7.
Do your little arm thing that you're just doing.
Okay.
Sing your little mud song.
Somebody sing it with me.
No.
Yes.
I'm not in this video.
Yes,
Oh,
Hi.
Shelby, sing it with her.
No.
mud. I love mud. I'm absolutely positively love mud. I can't go around it. I have to go through it. Beautiful, fabulous, super duper mud.
Do your hair.
She's gonna smack her head.
Are you gonna put her on YouTube?
Sure. Look at that hair. Good tickle.
Okay.
She's gonna come sing with you. Oh, hi, Mom.
Yeah, we're gonna put Emily on YouTube. How long is this video gonna be?
We can stop when she stops dancing. Say bye, Em.